Hi, my name is Anya, and today I'll be talking about the Atteridgeville Beast while making an upside down banana cake. If there's any cases you want me to talk about, please leave it in the comment section below. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'll be talking about Johannes Majan, who is better known as the Beast of Atteridgeville, while making an upside down banana cake. Disclaimer, I am telling the case as I perceived it. I mean no disrespect to the victims or the victim's family. Let me know in the comments if I missed something about the case. Let's first get a brief background story. And literally there is nothing about Johannes. We don't even have a birth date. All we have is his name and the vile acts he committed. What we do know is that his first reported kill is said to be his girlfriend, whom he killed in 1977. He spent only 5 years in prison for killing his girlfriend. He was released in 1982, and from what we know, he seemed to have lived a quiet life up until the year 1988, where he started to kill again. His killings were between the year 1988 and 1989. In a year, he raped, sodomized, and killed 12 boys. He murdered these boys after he had sodomized them by either strangulation, and let me tell you about strangulation, because I read up on this, and it's not actually like it is in the movies where it only takes a few minutes. It actually takes a very long time and a lot of consistent force. And another way that he would kill his victims is by stoning them to death. Again, not much is known about the serial killer. The reason being is that he was being chased by the police since they received a tip that he may be involved somehow in the murders. The police chased him through the Pretoria suburb of Marabastad. Unfortunately, Johannes jumped underneath a bus, which killed him. His death was ruled a suicide. He died in the year 1989. One silver lining from this case is that it is believed that there is one victim that survived the Beast of Atteridgeville, but not much else is known about this victim. And there we go, that was the story of the Beast of Atteridgeville. Like I said, there was not much information about the serial killer, but he did commit very vile acts. Again, if I missed something about the case, please leave it in the comment section below. Also, if there is a case you want me to cover, leave it in the comment section below. Until next time, bye!